Alright guys, so we have a fun combination for you guys today. What do we do, Janessa?
Sensual bachata.
A little sensual, you know, just I always keep it in the middle. I don't go too far.
I like that.
So what I like to do is first start my combination by doing a turn for the follow and blocking it, then redirecting it. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I block and redirect. 8. Follows, don't forget to tap. You should tap all the time. Yes? Notice how she's waiting. Then she step, tap. Instead of adding extra steps. Then from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I separate on 3, 4. I just go a little bit back, create distance. 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how I'm not 8, but I'm bringing my follow, and then I go 3, 4. Right here, I need the follows, your hips to go back instead of staying straight. Go back. Leads. Notice my upper body is a little bit leaning back, and my lower body is forward. I go from the right side to the left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Then use the concept of hips, rib cage, chest to do all that. Yes? You know so?
Absolutely.
So I'll do it again. Facing y'all. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, block, redirect. 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4. Turn. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the prep. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Don't forget to bring the hips from the left to the right. From the left to the right, and then use this. Side body roll. Yes? Practice. Música.